Hey, what's up folks, Astri here back again. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about some passive income sources or ideas that you can employ to, generate a consistent income every single month on a recurring basis. So some of you might not be already aware of what exactly is passive income. So for them, let me briefly explain what it is. So passive income is an income that you can generate on the go without actively having to involve in the work required to generate that income. So you might want to invest some time and efforts initially to set up and build the whole system, and afterwards the system itself will generate some recurring amount of money every single month. So that's how the whole passive income thing works. So it is recommended that one person should have at least 7 different sources or streams of income, including the active source. So without wasting any further ado, let's jump right in. So let's start with the first one on our list, which is creating and selling digital assets. Now, what exactly is digital assets? Digital assets is something that you can create on your computer and can be sold on the internet in digital form itself. So some examples of digital assets includes stock images, videography or video files, music effects, sound effects, and plugins, website templates, application source code, etc. All these can be considered as digital assets. The magic that when it comes to creating and selling digital assets is the fact that you only need to create the digital asset once, and you can theoretically sell it for infinite number of times. You might want to invest some time and efforts to create that finished product first, and afterwards you can theoretically sell it for infinite number of times. So you have to create once and you can sell it for unlimited times, as opposed to physical products. So let's say you have 100 units of physical product to sell, you can only sell that 100 units. But when it comes to physical virtual products or digital products, you can sell it for any number of times once you have created it. For example, let's say that you are someone who is into videography or photography space. Now you might click a lot of pictures, right? Now after doing a little bit of color editing works on Adobe Lightroom, you can upload the same on stock resource websites like Unsplash, Adobe Stocks, iStock, Shutterstock, etc. And now every time someone downloads that images, you will get a commission, and that's how the whole creating and selling digital assets thing work. Not just with this for stock photos and videos, you can sell other things like sound effects, SFX, like background music or musics on sites like Artlist, MusicBed, etc. You can sell website templates like WordPress, HTML5, Bootstrap, etc. on ThemeForest. If you're good at developing apps and web apps, you can sell the source code on websites like CodeCanyon, or you can even sell online courses on websites like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, etc. All these are examples of digital assets. In fact, you can even create your own versions of ebooks that you write and sell it on your own website, or even on services like Kindle, Amazon, etc. as well. So all these are examples of digital assets, and if you're really good at creating one of these, you can create and sell it online and make passive income on the go. Next up in our list is online courses. So whatever it be that you want to learn, an online courses will be available for the same. Let's say that you want to learn about something like web development, app development, farming, gardening, data science, sound editing, whatever it be, an online course will be there for you. For example, last month I was about to learn about React.js web development. So all I did was I just went to udemy.com, searched for React.js and enrolled for a course. So it contained everything right from the start to the end. It was a 48 hours long comprehensive course which includes every beginner level stuff to advanced stuff about React.js. So the point being, if you're really good at something and if you are extremely knowledgeable about it, you have the confidence that you can create an online courses and sell it, then you have the option to create online courses, like record it and edit it and make the final output and sell it on various websites like Skillshare, Coursera, Udemy, etc. So you can price your courses, and every time someone buys the course or views it on Skillshare, you will get an amount as for selling that courses. So that's how the whole online course thing works. Now, if you don't want to rely on third-party websites to create online courses and you want to create one on your own, then you have website or online course platforms like Thingific, LearnWorlds, etc., which will let you create an online course platform on your own custom domain, and you can sell it on the internet. So third in our list is starting a YouTube channel. So in the 2020s, if you take a look at the video consumption rate, so the video content consumption is actually being increasing on a rapid rate. So it is actually beneficial if you can leverage this video consumption. So all you have to do is just create a YouTube channel around an evergreen topic, and if you can create some videos around it and publish the same, then the video will get consistent amount of views from different sources, and that way you can generate a passive income. Being someone who runs multiple YouTube channels on different niches, I can say that YouTube is really an attractive and lucrative base for you to make money online. Even if you are a student or someone who is doing 9 to 5 job, you can still start a YouTube channel and manage it occasionally and make some really good money out of it. Let's say that you have an average page RPM of $5 and you manage to get around, let's say, 2000 views every day. That literally translates to around $10 per day, and which is like $300 every single month on a passive manner. How cool, right? Next in our list is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is yet another passive income idea that you can employ to make a consistent amount of money every single month. Let's say that you have a website, a social media handle with a couple of thousands of followers, or a YouTube channel. You can easily use affiliate marketing to generate some amount of money. So affiliate marketing is when a company or a brand pays you some amount of commission for promoting their products and bringing them sales. Now every time you manage to bring them a sale, the company will pay a stipulated amount of commission for you. So that's how the whole affiliate marketing thing works. Yet another interesting passive income source or idea is to start a website. So starting a website is a really easy and powerful way of generating a consistent income on every month. So once you have started a website, you might want to spend a little bit amount of time to post some articles and also do some on page and off page SEO works. So after you have got some certain hits, or maybe you have secured some really good Google ranking positions and website authority, you can start making money via ad revenue, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and a lot more. In order to start a website, you might want to spend some amount of money on the domain name and hosting space. Initially that's it, and that will be like a 15 or $20 at max. So once you have started getting some traffic from Google on your website, you can start leveraging that, you know, traffic to make money by monetizing it with advertisements using AdSense, or even via sponsorships or affiliate marketing. Being a website owner myself, I know how easy it is to create a website and, you know, rank on Google for certain keywords and make money out of it. So if you want to start a website, then you can go to bluehost.com and select a cheap hosting plan which will offers you a free domain for the plan purchase as well. Next is creating and publishing apps on App Store or Google Play Store. So if you are an Android or iOS app developer, then you can leverage your skills by creating small utility apps which are easy to create. For example, let me just open up Google Play Store and search for something like maybe Instagram Story Downloader. As you can see here, there are tons of apps for the same. So these apps are having anywhere more than 1 lakh to hundreds of thousands of installs already. So these apps might be already making good amount of money for their owners. So you can integrate ad mobs to show ads on your Android or iOS app, and then might make money out of it. Even if you are not an Android app developer and doesn't have much idea about the same, but you know a little bit basics about coding, then you can head over to websites like Code Canyon and purchase ready-made app source code and edit it and then upload it on Google Play Store and App Store and make some money as well. In order to create a developer account on App Store, you have to spend around like $99 every year, and in order to create an app developer account on Google Play Store, you have to spend around like one-time payment of $25 for that matter. So these are some of the really interesting and cool and lucrative ways to make money on the go, like passive income sources. So it is advised that you should have at least two or three passive income sources aside your active income source, so that you can will have a financial stability and survive in all weather conditions. So hope you guys like this video. If yes, make sure to subscribe to the channel for similar updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.